Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be sharing with you all my entire house tour. It will be an empty house tour because I filmed it before I had my furnitures in here. So almost the entire house was empty at that time, and a few clips which I will be showing are filmed now. So yep, if you guys like this video, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel as it will help me a lot. And if you haven't clicked on the notification bell, then please do that. And with that being said, let's start with the video. And also in the comment section below, please let me know which part of the house you like the most. So yeah, let's start with the video. So this is how the house looks from outside, and yep, it's a new construction, and just avoid those cars on the road, please. So yep, I'm on the opposite side of the street so that it will be easier for me to film this. And yep, this is how it looks from outside, and we have a 2-car garage, and that window that you guys are seeing is of the guest bedroom, and that is the entrance. And yep, let's move on inside. So as soon as you enter, we have this huge entryway over here, and I just love this huge door and this window slidings on the sides. And here, these are all the extra furnitures that we ordered for this house, because since we were in an apartment and now we are in a house, so for sure we need some extra furnitures. So these are all that we have ordered and it came in. So this is the entryway, and over here I'm thinking of having the console table, and I just kept this ottoman over here because since we have the coat closet there, so this is the coat closet. So this is the coat closet, and I just kept this over here because it will be easier for us to sit and wear our shoes. And this is how our entryway is. It's really spacious and big. So yeah, and as soon as you enter, over here we have a small hallway, and this one is the linen closet, this one is the bathroom, this one will be my son's room, and this one will be the guest bedroom. So now I will show you guys inside each and every rooms. So this is our guest bedroom, and it has a huge window and a closet. Nothing too much, it's a standard size room. And this will be our guest bathroom, or we can say it will be my son's bathroom, because we have only 2 bathrooms in the house, and it's a decent size bathroom. This will be my son's room. It has only 1 window in this room and a closet. I really wanted to have 1 more window on this wall, but it's okay because he will not be spending the whole day in this room, so that's fine because he will only be anyhow sleeping in this room. So That's fine with me. So now after all these rooms, we will be entering over here, and this hallway will lead all the way there to the living area on the right side and to the kitchen on the left. This is the laundry room, just ignore those, and we have our washer and dryer, and this is the way to the garage, or you can say that we have one more entrance over here. And this is how the garage is, and we can park 2 cars over here, and we have the recycle bin and the garbage bin there. So yep, this is how it looks from inside. It's very cold here since this whole area is not insulated. So yep, I need to off that light. So after we are done from here, we can head towards the basement. So this is the living area, and it has a vaulted ceiling here, and it makes the room looks even bigger than it is. It has 2 big windows with lots of natural light coming in, and yep, there is my husband standing in front of one of the windows. Here is the dining area, and it has a big door which will be leading to the patio. And yeah, the patio was not built at the time when we moved in. It took some time to be completed. And here is our kitchen. I'm really excited about this island. I always dreamed about having an island in the kitchen, and I finally have one, and I can't be more excited than this. This can be used in many ways, and it's very useful in the kitchen. And I really love the open concept of this kitchen, as we have a kitchen, the living area and the dining area all together. It can make the space look even bigger. And if you are entertaining guests, then it will be easier for you because everyone will be in the same space and you can interact with them and cook food at the same time. So here is the overview of the kitchen. We have a decent size pantry as well. We did not have the refrigerator at first. After a few days we got ours. And here is another view of the kitchen. We have a small window above the sink, which makes washing the dishes a little bit easier because you can look outside the window. And yep, and we have all the stainless steel appliances in the kitchen, which I really like about this. And all the cabinets are like of the ceiling height, but it's of no use to me since I'm not able to reach the top of the cabinets. And here is another view of the kitchen island. It has ample storage underneath it. We cannot have enough storage in the kitchen, am I right? And here is another view of the dining area. I really like the amount of sunlight that we have in this house the entire day. We don't really need any light throughout the entire day, and it really lifts up my mood, especially in this winter time when it can get like so cold, and the weather is so depressing here. So yeah, I'm really enjoying so much of natural light and sunlight here. And here is a way to go down to the basement, and that door will lead up to the master bedroom, master bathroom, and we have a walk-in closet inside. So yep, now I'll show you my master bedroom. Here is how my master bedroom looks like. It also have 2 windows inside it, and ignore those things please, because those are of my son and he just like left it there. And this room is also really spacious because now we have a bed in this room, and still we have ample space after even having a king size bed. So you can imagine how big this room is, as this is the biggest room in the entire house. So this is our master bathroom, and yeah, this bathroom also has a big window with lots of natural light, and it has a tub and a standalone shower, because in our apartment we had only the tub and the shower was built in it, but here we have a tub and a standalone shower both. So it is really convenient because most of the time we only take showers. So yeah, it's very easier to clean and maintain it. So I really like the shower and the glass doors. And we have a double sink too, and yeah, that's me. And we have ample storage underneath the sink. And over here, this is the way to the basement. This was the way from where we came in, and this will be our laundry room. So let's head down to the basement now. And it's not finished yet, but yeah, this is how the basement is. These are all the boxes and cartons since we are still unpacking, and this is what my son did to all the cartons that we unpacked. So yeah, it's finishing it up if we need it. So yeah, and over here we have a door which will be leading to the backyard, and this will be our backyard, which hasn't been completed yet because it is winter here, and it will take some time since it will be like they told that once the weather will be nice, then they will be here and they will be finishing it up. So yeah, the basement is a walk-in basement, and it will lead out to the backyard. So yeah, I'm like really excited about like enjoying the spring and summer here, because yeah, it will be so much fun. I just can't wait for spring and summer to be here. So yeah, this was all in the basement. Now let's head upstairs. It's a huge basement. Like, if we want, like, we can build 2 rooms, a kitchen, a bathroom, and yeah, but I don't think we will be making that here. We will just be having an open space over here for entertainment and for guests and my son to play around here. So yep, that is it. Now let's move upstairs. One more thing that I love about this house is this huge door which heads to the patio. It is so cold outside, but still I will try to go out and show you guys. And we have a big patio here, or a deck, whatever you may call. So it's a huge one, and yeah, this is what our house looks from outside. And all this area that you are seeing here will be the backyard. Once it is all finished, it will look somewhat like that area which you are seeing over there. So yeah, one more house is finishing up there, and yeah, it's a very nice community here, and it will look so beautiful in the spring and summer. Now I'm feeling super cold and I need to head inside now, otherwise I will just freeze out here. So yeah, that is how my deck looks like. It is like really spacious. We can keep some furnitures over here and sit and enjoy our evening tea, and yeah, I just can't wait for that time to come. So yeah, that is how it looks.